Welcome back to the RTM Pro tutorial series. Today let's talk quality. And I promise you, it's never been as easy as here in RTM. You just click at your station. This is my station tree here. I have opened up the demo database, and the only thing I need to do is I go up here to the productivity tools and I click on quality analysis. That's it already. Well, there is one more thing I need to do is I need to tell RTM that 0 is bad and 1 is good. I recalculate and here it is already. So I see the total number of serials that ran through that station. I see the first time serials. That means all the parts that passed through that station and were good on the very first run already. I see repeated OK serials. So those that ran were good and then ran again still good, which is an interesting thing to look at. We have recovered serials. Those are OK and OK on the first run and then OK, of course, on the second or third run. And I see the total NOK serials. So those are the ones that were truly rejected, independent on how often that they ran through that station. And here in the summary, I see all the details I want to look at in quality analysis. I see the first time quality and the last time quality. So only the very last run of each and every part. I see the total number of cycles. That means how often that station was in operation. And I see the total series. Each serial number or each part can run multiple times, which is why you often see higher cycles than you see serials. And of course, you see all the rates depending on these different ways of looking at it. So what else I can do here is I know that the end of line station has actually 2 stations in. So I go to my station ID, I apply a filter and I filter on station 1 only. I run the quality analysis again, tell it that 1 is the good stuff, and here I am. And I have already the overview about this particular station 1. I do the same for station 2. Station 2 filter, quality analysis, 1 is the good stuff. And I clearly can see that station 1 in terms of first and last time quality is performing much better than station 2. So that is the next step to be investigated. How do I know which station am I looking at? Up here in each tab, not only the quality, but of course also the others, I have a filter panel. I click it and I see all the preconditions I set before I run this chart, and I see the filters, as in this case, this is station 2. This concludes the quality analysis in RTM, a simple function with a very powerful output. I look forward to see you in the next tutorial. Have a good day.